Okay, here's Growler. He's a mean little machine. Little buttons there to something and close his mouth. Red flashing eyes, the same. Cool. I'm doing this one-handed because I've got to hold the camera in the other and try and do the remote. There's 2 levers on the remote. That's the actual... that opens and closes his mouth. Different frequency than the other one. Than Sir Killalot. He's 27 megahertz. Sir Killalot is 49. I can't do one-handed. Oh, that gives you the idea, doesn't it? Yeah. He's a mean little dude. The only thing that's wrong with this one is there's the remote. We just need something to hold the battery in. A bit of duct tape, like I say. I might have the thing. If I find it all well and good, I'll throw it in. If not, make me an offer. Good machines, both of them.